And the rain has finally happened. Again, whoops, wind shifted. I just got wet. I'm gonna pan. There, the thunder really still has not ever stopped rolling. We did have sirens go off, a little bit ago. Again, tornadoes were spotted over our airport and right on the southern edge of Cedar Rapids, Iowa, which is a little bit north of me, maybe 18 miles away or so. So I don't know if you can really you can see here how much it's raining. Yeah. This is fun. Not. Our rivers and streams and creeks are full. There's been horrible flooding in Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, Minnesota, and things in some areas just keep getting worse. So we really don't need this rain anymore. We really don't. Now, in a month, we'll probably be saying, yes, please, we need some rain again. But right now, we've had enough, Mother Nature. Thank you very, very much. All right, gang. Again, you can probably still hear the thunder rolling. It's crazy. Everybody, please take care. Take care in this heat, in this weather. Stay safe. But don't forget to have some fun too. And God bless. Bye-bye.